5 essential electrical services provided by experienced electricians in Old Bar, Taree. Ensuring electrical safety, preventing hazards, and enjoying reliable electrical systems, essential for both residential and commercial properties. Experienced electricians in Old Bar, Taree provide a comprehensive range of services to meet these needs, including expert installations, regular maintenance, prompt repairs, and custom solutions. 1. Ensure electrical safety through expert installations. 2. Prevent hazards and save costs with regular electrical maintenance. 3. Trust local electricians for prompt repairs and upgrades. 4. Benefit from a comprehensive range of residential and commercial services. 5. Enjoy peace of mind with our excellent customer satisfaction reviews. By hiring experienced professionals for these installations, you can have peace of mind knowing that your electrical systems are installed correctly and safely. For example, when upgrading the electrical system in an older home, a knowledgeable electrician will inspect the existing wiring, identify any non-compliant or deteriorating components, and recommend the necessary updates to bring the system up to current safety standards. Flickering lights can be a problem. The electrician may discover that the problem stems from a loose connection in the lighting fixture, which they can quickly tighten to resolve the flickering and prevent a potential electrical fire. Upgrading to energy-efficient electrical systems and appliances can provide numerous benefits, including reduced power bills and a smaller environmental footprint. They have the expertise to install and maintain various electrical systems, such as lighting, power outlets, switchboards, and safety switches. Experienced electricians can ensure that your home or business is equipped with properly functioning safety switches to minimize the risk of electrical accidents. 5. Enjoy peace of mind with our customer satisfaction reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember to check out our website for more.